Hello, everyone. Today is January 5th, 2026. It is a Monday afternoon currently for me, and we're going to be talking about OKLO as we talked about it on the weekend because, this stock played out perfectly. But before we get into it, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and all of this is my opinion. So do your own research before you go ahead and buy anything. So, OKLO has perfectly played into what I said the weekend, on the weekend's video. If you haven't, go check that out. You can understand a little bit of what OKLO is. It is a nuclear technology company, right? That wants to get affordable energy done. Um, Now, as you can see, the volume went extremely up right here, right? This is a pretty bullish sign because as you can see, every time volume started showing up sign, stock goes and shows some up sign, right? It happened every single time. If we go back in time, any upside, positive, something like that, stock goes in a positive run, right? And I think the same is going to happen to OKLO. It is already ran 14%, and even in the aftermarket, it's already up 1 to 2%. So definitely, I'm thinking of going into it again. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it again because I want to see what happens in this. Like, even if I do play it, just be careful. There's like a very big resistance right here, meaning people do like sell. So in terms of like an from here, it's like still a 15% to 13% uptrend that is possible on the stock, right? And I'm pretty sure the market has also been doing pretty good today. And as you can see, it's showing signs. I tend to look at Bitcoin more, but I said on the weekend the market is showing some pretty good upside, right? And that's a really good thing. This is a positive outlook. This is really following this line. So yeah, but there's definitely some kind of sell pressure going on the stock market, but OKLO is a pretty high market cap company, 14 billion, so it does have some marketing tendency, not as huge as Micron being a $300 billion company, but this does. And this is a highly volatile stock. So as you can see, it had a 30% day right here. So do you want to expect that kind of number? Not really. I wouldn't advise you to look for those kind of numbers. Don't get greedy and remember to sell. Remember to sell. If you're holding this, yes, but remember to sell. If you made your money, it's better to have some money that you already earned than risking it for more, if that makes sense. Don't get greedy because this is still something. I mean, I sold way early in the morning. I'll show you my process. So when I talked about it and everything. So oh my god. Okay, hold it. Okay. Where is the minute chart? Right there. And this looks very odd looking, right? Okay, let me see if I can get it. But you can see right over here when the market opened, it fell a little bit, but then boom, it just started going up, right? And it followed this. And I actually purchased it like right over here on this fall because I saw this line, right? I didn't really get in here, which was I was looking at it, but I didn't really want to get into it. I was thinking of getting into it because of but I wasn't sure, right? Because of that. But I did see the positive volume uptick and like how big the candlesticks were, and I did get in. And then I rode the momentum and I sold around here. Okay, I sold around here because it was kind of showing signs of like weaker volume right here, if that makes sense. So I sold around here. And then you can see it did actually start to dwindle, but then over here it just started going higher. But hey, I made my money on that. I am pretty happy with the trade I did today. But for those of you that are still in it, do be careful and don't get too greedy. And good luck on your trading thing. You know what I mean? Like, remember this. Just remember this. Just remember that. Right. I think what I'm gonna do is I do see some other stocks setting up really nicely this week. I'm gonna look into others a few stocks and see what's up. But this is on the top of my priority list right now, so definitely looking at this. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate it. Peace.